Hey baking enthusiasts, welcome to our kitchen. Today we're diving into the world of comforting desserts with a timeless favorite, classic apple crisp. Imagine warm, baked apples beneath a crunchy brown sugar topping. Let's get started. Here's why you'll love this apple crisp recipe. Easier than pie basic ingredients, no egg short cooling time, it's delicious. First things first, let's prep our apples. You can use any variety you like. I'm going for a mix of tart and sweet. It adds depth to the flavor. Core, peel, and slice them into bite-sized pieces. Now let's make that gooey filling. Toss the apple slices with a sprinkle of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and a secret ingredient, a tablespoon of lemon juice to enhance the flavors. Add a touch of sweetness with brown sugar. Mix it all up until the apples are coated in this aromatic goodness. Next up, the star of the show, our crunchy brown sugar topping. In a bowl, combine old-fashioned oats, all-purpose flour, more brown sugar, and a hint of salt. Mix it well, then add softened butter. This is where the magic happens. Now it's assembly time. Lay those cinnamon-kissed apples in a baking dish and generously sprinkle the crisp topping over them. This is the part where the oven works its magic. Pop it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 40-45 minutes, or until the topping is golden brown and the apples are tender. Your kitchen is about to smell like a warm hug. Now here's the best part, serving it warm. Picture this. A scoop of vanilla ice cream melting into the crevices of that crunchy topping, pure bliss. Before you dive into this cozy delight, let me share some tips. Want to add a twist? Throw in some cranberries for a burst of tartness, or swap the regular oats for a mix of oats and chopped nuts for added crunch. And there you have it, a classic apple crisp that's not just a dessert, it's an experience. Whether it's a family gathering or a quiet evening, this timeless treat never disappoints. I hope you enjoyed baking with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own twists on this classic recipe in the comments below. Until next time, happy baking.